useReducer, a React hook which lets you manage your state in a more robust way. After using it, it gives you back two things: your state and a dispatch function, which allows you to update the state, so it's similar to the useState hook. The difference is that it takes a reducer function together with the initial state as an argument. Inside reducer function, you should write out the logic of how you want your state updates to be handled. Here, I have a simple counter component, inside of which we can increment, decrement, and randomize our count value. Notice that, to achieve this, we have three separate functions inside of the component. This is fine, but if the state update logic was more complex, we would have to clutter our component with a big state update function. The better way in that case would be to use the useReducer hook. Here's the same component with the useReducer hook. Note that our buttons dispatch an action with different type properties. Also, state is now an object and count is its property. Let's see how countReducer looks like. It receives state and action objects as arguments. Depending on action, different statements will get executed. The nice thing is that the logic of the state update is inside a single function, and this logic doesn't cause our component to look cluttered. If your initial state is the result of a heavy computation, you can pass the function which computes your initial state as the third argument of useReducer. This way, your initializer function won't get called on every render. This was a simple explanation of the useReducer hook. If this was helpful, consider liking and subscribing.